Hello, welcome again. We are solving mathematics paper of year 2024 of NDNA 1 exam. Now we'll solve question number 83 and 84. For this, consider the following for the next two items that follow. Let fx is equal to x by ln x, x is greater than 1. Question number 83 based on this is, consider the following statement. 1. Fx is increasing in the interval e to infinity. 2. Fx is decreasing in the interval 1 to e. 3. 9 ln 7 greater than 7 ln 9. Which of the statements given above are correct? Option A 1 and 2 only, option B 2 and 3 only, option C 1 and 3 only, and option D 1, 2 and 3. And question number 84 is also based on this, so I am reading out this also. Question number 84, consider the following statement. 1. F double dash E is equal to 1 by E. 2. Fx attains local minimum value at x is equal to E. 3. A local minimum value of fx is E. Which of the statements given above are correct? Option A 1 and 2 only, option B 2 and 3 only, option C 1 and 3 only, and option D 1, 2 and 3. So here solving 83 first, fx is given as x by ln x. So if we differentiate it, then f dash x will be here using divide rule. It will be ln x here, and now differentiating x, that is 1, and keeping ln x same, minus um, keeping x same and differentiating ln x, it will be 1 by x. So it will be ln x minus 1 divided by ln x whole square. If this quantity is positive, then the function is increasing function. If this quantity is negative, then the function is decreasing function. So we know that ln e is your 1. So if x is more than e, then it will be a positive quantity. So it will be an increasing function within e to infinity, and ln e is 1. So if x is less than e, then it will be a decreasing function. Okay, so it means statement 1 is f is increasing function in the interval e to infinity, and statement 2 fx is decreasing function in the interval 1 to e are both are correct. Okay, and third statement is 9 ln 7 greater than 7 ln 9. So it means ln 7 raised to power 9 greater than ln 9 raised to power 7. So we know that 7 raised to power 9 is greater than 9 raised to power 7. So this is also correct. ln 7 raised to power 9 will be greater than ln 9 raised to power 7. So 3 is also correct. So answer is D. So now checking 84th question. So now we have to find out f double, according to statement 1, we have to find out f double dash e is equal to 1 by e. So here we have f dash x as ln x minus 1 divided by ln x here, or we can write it as 1 by ln x minus 1 by ln x here. Okay, now differentiating it again, so it will be minus 1 by ln x here divided by 1 by x, okay, using chain rule. And here also it will be 2 by x ln x cube. First differentiating this, then differentiating ln x. Okay, so now if we put x is equal to e, it will be minus 1 by e plus 2 by e, because this is 1, ln e is 1, ln e is 1, so it will be minus 1 by e plus 2 by e. So it is 1 by e, so which is positive quantity. So it means first is correct. And second statement is fx attains local minimum value at x equal to e. So f dash x is 0, and if we put f dash x as 0, then we get x equal to as we have got in the previous question. So it means it is either local minima or maxima, and if f double dash e is positive, So this will give minimum. So, so second statement is correct. Okay. A local third statement is local minimum value of fx is e. So if we put x is equal to e here, then this will ln e will be 1 and x is e. So f e will be here e. So third statement is also correct. So that is local minimum. Because this is f double dash check e is your positive, and by putting this quantity equal to 0 we get x as e. So at e there will be local minimum. So first, second and third all are correct. So answer is D.